Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of rosemary. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this aromatic herb is a must-have in any garden. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about planting, growing, and propagating rosemary. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to nurture your own fragrant rosemary oasis. Let's get started. Getting started with rosemary. So, what exactly is rosemary? Rosemary is a perennial herb known for its needle-like leaves and delightful fragrance. It's not only a culinary staple, but also a favorite for its ornamental appeal. Here's how to get started. 1. Choosing the right location. Rosemary thrives in full sunlight, so pick a spot in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent root rot. Rosemary dislikes soggy feet. 2. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by mixing in some organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. This helps improve drainage and provides essential nutrients for healthy growth. 3. Planting your rosemary. Now, it's time to plant. If you're starting with a nursery-bought plant, gently remove it from its container and loosen the roots before placing it in the prepared soil. Space multiple plants about 2 feet apart to allow for adequate airflow. Caring for your rosemary. Congratulations, your rosemary is in the ground. Here's how to care for it. 1. Watering. Rosemary is drought-tolerant once established, so water sparingly. Let the soil dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, remember? Rosemary likes it on the dry side. 2. Pruning. Regular pruning not only keeps your rosemary plant tidy, but also encourages bushier growth. Trim the stems back after flowering or whenever it starts getting leggy. 3. Feeding. Rosemary isn't a heavy feeder, but a light application of balanced fertilizer in spring can boost growth. Avoid excessive nitrogen, which can lead to lush foliage but less flavor. Propagating rosemary. Want more rosemary plants? You can propagate rosemary easily. 1. Stem cuttings. Take 4 6-inch stem cuttings from a healthy rosemary plant. Strip the lower leaves and place the cuttings in a jar of water. Roots should develop within a few weeks. 2. Transplanting. Once the cuttings have rooted, transplant them into pots filled with well-draining soil. Keep them in a warm, sunny location and water regularly until they establish. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to growing and propagating rosemary. From choosing the right location to harvesting your own fresh sprigs, cultivating rosemary is a rewarding experience for any gardener. Remember, patience is key with this versatile herb. With a little TLC, your rosemary plants will thrive and provide you with aromatic joy year-round. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and may your thumbs always be green.